Now let's talk about the most common work word or verb to be work, which is sein. So let's see. With ich we use ich bin. Je, jij, you, bent, u bent. Hij is, ze is, she is. Jullie zijn. We or wij zijn. And they zijn. So let's suppose we can say, let's take few examples. If I want to say I am Eifechner, then in Dutch I say ik ben Eifechner. You are late. In Dutch we say je ben te laat. He is here. In Dutch we say he is here. She is, let's suppose, a woman. She's a woman. In Dutch we say ze is een vrouw. We are good. We zijn goed. You people are students. In Dutch we say jullie zijn students or consistent. So this is the most common work word sein with different examples.